plug in. It's really simple. Hold control, hold option at the same time, hold shift up here, plus the power button. It'll light up, it'll go off, and it'll show you. And you've got to be a right lemon if you can't do it. So just to show again, we'll take it out. It's releasing out. Connecting to the right device, means it's not in DUF. I hold these two, shift plus power, all at the same time, and then it'll go off and straight into DUF. So you hold this control, this options, this shift and power till you see DUF. Make sure the data cable is in the second, power cable in the top, and the other straight in. So you can see it's not on there. Plug it in. DUF mode.